Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
Welcome to Unpacking the Home Advantage. My podcast is to help you understand the mortgage loan side through my experience and knowledge. My name is Paige Ashby. The Fed, the market, the future. What you need to know and prepare yourself for the rest of 2023. Stay tuned for the breakdown on these topics. Let's get unpacking. It's mid-year 2023 after 10 rate raises with a total of 5 full percentage points. The Feds decided to pause, which will allow the committee to access additional information for monetary policy. That would include the Employment and Consumer Price Index report for June, which will be released mid-July. What I've read is that the Fed may be buying some time to minimize the Treasury's borrowing to lower the debt ceiling. They are still anticipating 2 more rate raises by December. Now remember, these Fed rates are for HELOCs, car loans, and credit cards. So this is still a good time to do a cash-out refinance to get rid of those credit card debts. In the past year or two, most of you guys have done some home improvements or have had to pay some college tuitions. And now the bills are piling up, so let's do a consolidation and pay off those debts by refinancing. Don't wait until you can't make the payment. I see so many of my clients call me when they started getting behind on the payments, which can cause a domino effect. A lot of people are thinking if they are not late on their mortgage payment, then they can refinance no problem. Not the case. Once you have a credit card late or any late mark on your credit, your score will go down, which will affect the borrowing rules. The rule is that you cannot have any lates within the last 12 to 24 months, depending on what kind of debt and what kind of program you want to do. Yes, I do have programs that allow you to have late payments, but those are like your last resort options because the rate's higher, which will not going to benefit you. So that is an out, but you need to not wait until you can't make the payment. And then you just have to take any option you can get, which is you putting yourself in the worst situation. Okay, so I understand that you guys have all this equity. I hear this all the time. They can take my equity, but the bank isn't lending to take your home. They're lending to make money off you. So you have all this equity, but if you can't qualify to pull out cash to use it to be in a better situation, then it's called debt equity. So don't put yourself in a worse situation. Get ahead of your finances. So another topic I want to talk about is who has the buying power? I'm seeing a lot of normal purchase pricing, but still seeing my clients having to overbid. Those are the people that must move, so they have to get into the house, and they'll pay anything because they've been waiting a year or two. Now, the ones that are not in a rush and have no contingencies are the ones with the buying power. Even though the inventory is low, these borrowers will be able to get the perfect house by working with builders. Builders still need to finish their projects, so they have to sell. Working with a builder will allow you to make it your own home. I see some will work with the rates, and if not, you can always do a rate reduction after 6 payments. I have done many of these for my clients because they must go with the builder's lender to get all these incentives. So as a broker, my rates are lower, so that's how I'm able to do the rate reduction for them after 6 payments. Now, reach out to me if you have any questions you want to go over or any scenarios you want to get my advice. I'll give you a free consultation. Reach out to me if you guys have any scenarios you want to go over with or need my advice. I can give you a complimentary consultation. Now, if you've enjoyed this information, make sure to follow. And if you have anyone that may benefit from this, please share. More episodes to come. As an active mortgage broker and a mentor, if you have any questions or need a pre-qualification, you can reach me through LinkedIn, Paige Ashby Lending, and my other contacts are listed below in my episodes. Thank you for being part of Unpacking the Home Advantage.